This is our new package. 805 1% resistor kit. So the size of this resistor is 0805 SMD resistor. Let us see the resistor. One sample. Let us get 470 ohms. So this is how small this resistor is. SMD type. Okay, this is 100 pieces. 1,500 pieces, each 25 pieces per piece. 0805 SMD size resistor, assorted, all values from 0 ohms to 10 mega ohms. Then we have this capacitor. This is capacitor. Let us get one piece sample. $25 volts, 3,300 microfarad capacitor. This is electrolytic. Electrolytic capacitor means there is a polarity for this capacitor. Negative, shorter leg, long leg is the positive. So this is electrolytic capacitor. How many pieces? We have 5 pieces. 25 volts. Then we have TIP. TIP 31. This is transistor. TIP 31C. Power transistor. NPN type. Capable of handling 3 amperes of current, collector current. It is I think it is 10 pieces. Power transistor TIP 31. Then we have this red and green 3mm in size LED, common anode. So the anode is common. Let us see the look. Red and green bicolor LED. This is bicolor LED, red and green. Common anode. 100 pieces. Again, we have this capacitor, 16 volts, 1000 microfarad, 10 pieces. This is also an electrolytic capacitor. Capacitor with polarity. The negative, the shorter leg, positive is the long legs. 1000 microfarad, 16 volts. Then we have TIP 42. This is PNP type power transistor. PNP type. It can handle 6 ampere of current, TIP 42C power transistor, 10 pieces. And then another capacitor, same. This is again 3300 microfarad, 25 volts, 5 pieces. Electrolytic capacitor, electrolytic with polarity negative, this negative sign, positive the other side, and then 3000 microfarad, 25 volts. Then we have an assorted or a resistor kit 1%. This is 0603, the size of the resistor, from 1 ohms to 1 mega ohms. 33 values, each 20 pieces per strand. Total pieces 660 pieces. This is 0603. Let us see the look. This is very small. See how small the SMD resistor. Smaller than the rice. Very small. It is 660 pieces. 0603 resistor. Okay, 1 ohms to 1 mega ohms value. And then we have another 16 volts, 1000 microfarad electrolytic capacitor. 1000, 16 volts electrolytic. The negative, the shorter leg, and then the positive, the long leg. Then we have this, what's this? TL074 IC. This is op amps. Quad op amps. Quadruple op amps or quad. TL. We could not see the TL. Yes, TL 074. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 14 pins IC. This is quad op amps, operational amplifier. Okay. And then we have this SG3525 IC. What is this? This is SG3525. SG3525. This is pulse width modulator control circuit. It is capable of producing a PWM signal. This is SG3525 A, 10 pieces, PWM generator. Again, we have another one, TL494. This is PWM, pulse width modulation control circuit. Again, it is generator, PWM generator, capable of producing PWM signal. TL494CN, 10 pieces. So we have all the packages here. Some op amps, capacitor, this LED resistor kit. The size is 0805. This one is 0603, smaller than this size. And then also the LED bicolor, 2 colors, some transistors, and then op amps, capacitor, And that is our package from China.